Hi, I'm Arnold Funnel, and I'm going to be a senior at Falls Ridge High School. I'm a PWR intern here at CSU's biochemistry department. At this internship, I was mostly observing experiments that graduates and undergraduates were doing. After about a week of observing, I went on to actually do my own experiments. Overall, we're studying an HIV mechanism involving proteins. It's a long and grueling process, but it's really fun. This internship really gave me insight into what it's like to be a researcher at a university. Getting immersed in the experience, just hands-on learning is, I feel like, the most important thing about knowing about what you want to do in your future. An internship is like the best thing to do for getting this hands-on experience, and yeah.
Hi, I'm Hailey Morris. I'm a senior at Rocky Mountain High School, and my PWR internship was at the Larimer County Sheriff's Office Crime Lab. So this summer, I've been able to go to different trainings with my mentor, and I've gotten to practice a lot of the different skills like fingerprinting here at the lab on mock evidence. My favorite part has probably been being able to see the techniques in real situations and also being able to practice them for myself. It's just been awesome to be able to see the real behind the scenes and how it's not like on the TV shows. It's been awesome being able to do this in high school because I can see that that's the field or area I want to go into. I can more concentrate my studies and look into paths of education that will more benefit that, and just so that I can go more into college knowing more of an idea of what I want that path to look like.
Hi, my name is Juliana Machado. I'm going to be a junior at Rocky Mountain High School, and my PWR internship was with Stephanie Carlson Designs. So with Stephanie, I usually organize fabric swatches, cut patterns, take notes, go through her social media. It's beneficial because you get to learn real life skills instead of just sitting in a classroom. You get to be out there helping, doing all of the stuff that people do in real life. Yeah, I think I could really get into this in the future. I'm thinking about minoring in fashion, so that way I kind of have like options, and it's really fun. It's like a passion, so.